Asparagus. When selecting asparagus, we want to make sure that the stalk is firm and its skin is smooth with no wrinkles or blemishes. The color should be vivid green with some purple thorns and spears. We also want to take a look at the spears. This is an example of what you don't necessarily want to see. The buds are slightly frayed and wilted. They should, however, be plump and tightly closed. Now the first step I like to do is measure about 1.5 inches from the bottom of the stalk and slice that off. This part is quite woody and fibrous, not a portion of the asparagus that we want to eat. Next, the thorns which are located along the stalk. I'll take a paring knife and simply remove them. A cool technique that a lot of fine dining restaurants use is to make a shallow slit around the asparagus near the bottom like so. I'll then take my peeler and begin to peel this portion off. The visual effect this gives is pretty cool and makes for a great presentation. We can go ahead and then poach this in a butter and stock emulsion.